Meaning of dining table.
Dining table.
Dining table.
Dining table.
Dining table. A dining table is a piece of furniture designed for use during meals and typically found in a dining room. It usually consists of a flat top supported by one or more legs or a central pedestal, with chairs or benches placed around it. Dining tables come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and materials, ranging from traditional wooden tables to modern glass or metal tables. They are often the focal point of social gatherings and family meals, and can be customized to fit the style and needs of any home.